Hey everyone! Welcome back to AILOVA HOTPOT. First watch this, please subscribe my channel for more recipes. Today, we're making something super delicious and iconic, homemade kimchi. If you love that tangy, spicy, and crunchy fermented goodness, this recipe is for you. It's easier than you think, and I'll walk you through every step. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 large Napa cabbage, half a cup kosher salt, 6 cups water for brine, 1 daikon radish optional for crunch, 5-6 green onions. For the kimchi paste, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon minced ginger, a 1/4 cup Korean red pepper flakes, gochujang, 2 tablespoon fish sauce or soy sauce for vegan, 1 tablespoon sugar, half a cup water or kimchi brine for extra flavor. Step 1. Prepare the cabbage. First, chop your Napa cabbage into quarters lengthwise. Then, cut each quarter into bite-sized pieces. In a big bowl, dissolve half a cup of salt in 6 cups of water. Soak the cabbage pieces for about 1 to 2 hours, flipping occasionally. This softens the leaves and removes excess water. Step 2. Make the kimchi paste. While the cabbage brines, let's make the paste. Mix garlic, ginger, gochujang, fish sauce, sugar, and water until it forms a thick, spicy paste. Want extra crunch? Add julienne daikon radish and chopped green onions. Step 3. Rinse and mix. After brining, rinse the cabbage thoroughly to remove excess salt. Then squeeze out the water. We want it moist but not soggy. Now, massage the spicy paste into the cabbage until every piece is coated. Wear gloves if you don't want spicy hands. Step 4. Fermentation. Pack the kimchi tightly into a jar, pressing down to remove air bubbles. Leave about an inch of space at the top. It expands as it ferments. Let it sit at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, depending on how sour you like it, then refrigerate. The longer it sits, the tangier it gets. Outro. And that's it. Homemade kimchi that's perfect for rice bowls, stews, or just eating straight from the jar. Let me know in the comments how yours turns out. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more recipes.